Are you spending time on digital marketing but not seeing the results you need? Or are you so busy working in your business, there is no time to work on your business? If you answered yes, this workshop is designed for you to give you the chance to pause and stop the guessing and start the doing and start the growing. My name is Despina Karatius, a dedicated small business trainer and mentor here to ignite excellence in you and what you do and why you do it. And it gives me great joy to facilitate this Digital Readiness Workshop on Thursday, April 3rd from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. designed specifically for small business owners and entrepreneurs like you who want to refine their digital strategy, create engaging content, and streamline their marketing efforts using AI and automation. In this hands-on, results-driven session, you will develop a laser-focused digital marketing plan aligned with your business goals, learn how to craft content that converts and integrates seamlessly across your website and social media, and discover AI and automation tools to improve efficiency and your productivity, saving you time and money. Apply what you learn in real time and leave with a clear, actionable digital strategy. Don't miss the opportunity to work on your business, not just in it. Register now via the links below to join us and ignite excellence into your digital marketing and all you do. Looking forward to meeting and seeing you on Thursday, April 3rd.